OOTD. OOTD.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Right now I'm just getting ready. I just finished doing my hair. I got some content to do today. I'm supposed to be doing content for the girls too, but like I don't be trying to put too much on my plate in one day. Like I can always do it tomorrow. I just be feeling like I have not enough hours in the day. You're not scared of the water no more, huh? My baby was scared of the water, y'all. He said I became one and I'm a big boy.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can.
Oh my goodness, y'all. I just finished doing content. And when I say this is probably my favorite outfit I have worn or styled in so long. It's so crazy. I was just saying how it's always the outfits that I put together and I'm like, ooh, that outfit gonna be fire. And it just be like, But it's always the outfits where I'm like, it's cute. And then when I put it on, I'll be like look how it's in my hair, yo. This whole fit is cute. I'm about to give y'all a little outfit of the day real quick.
Oh, I got on this Shein top, Shein shorts. Both of these, the top and the shorts, are from Manfinity. The men's section is Shein. I love this, the men's section. And my shoes, of course, are some ones. I got the socks from Shein. They're from the kids section. For jewelry, got my silver, cute little diamond hoops. OOTD. OOTD.
Are you ready? Yeah. You look so pretty. What you about to do?
Content.
Some content? Yeah. Hold hands, Sky. Good job, Storm. Pet the horse a little bit. Throw it at me, girl. Throw it.
Mommy, guess what I got for you?
Hey, Drew King. Oh. Hey. Hi. Hi. What you drawing, Stormy?
I'm drawing
What's that?
a letter.
A what?
A letter.
A lizard? Oh, your letters?
Yeah.
You don't need something hard to write on so that it can, underneath the paper?
This is
What about you, Sky? Letters?
Letters.
Letters, Bubby?
He not.
Currently in the process of redoing my room, you guys. Redoing the whole house. If you've been watching and paying attention. Well, if you've been watching. So just ignore that. Washing my pillowcases and stuff right now. That's why, that's right. You know, the cases aren't on. This is the outfit that I styled last night that I'm wearing today. I don't know which shoes to put on. These are the outfits that I have styled for the video I was telling you guys about for the brand deal I'm doing. It's with this company. I told y'all about them in the last video. Okay, guys, we are signing off. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And do what, Stormy?
Hit thumbs up.
And we'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.